Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Arc Raiders launch error using a few simple methods. First, we will verify the game files. Sometimes, missing or corrupted files can stop the game from launching properly. Open your Steam or Epic Games launcher and go to your game library. Find Arc Raiders, then right-click on it and select Properties. After that, go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. The launcher will scan and fix any broken files automatically. This may take a few minutes, so just wait until it finishes. Next, we will fix Easy Anti-Cheat. This is an important service required to run the game. If it is not working correctly, the game may fail to launch. Open File Explorer and go to the folder C program, files x86/Easy Anti-Cheat EOS. Inside this folder, find the file called Easy Anti-Cheat Setup.exe and run it. Once it opens, choose Arc Raiders from the list and click Repair. If Repair does not work, you can also try reinstalling it from the same window. Finally, we will clear the Steam download cache. This helps fix issues related to corrupted data. Open Steam and go to Settings. Then click on Downloads and select Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart, and you may need to log in again. After completing all these steps, try launching the game again. The issue should now be resolved. Thanks for watching.